There's been quite a bit of speculation about what Salah's family must think about Foodie, and here are my 2 cents. Maqluba is a dish in the Middle East that's made in lots of different countries, including Syria. Chantal has expressed an interest in it several times, but it hasn't appeared in any of her videos, so I'm pretty sure she hasn't had it yet. Now, the thing about Maqluba is that it's definitely a labor of love. It's a homemade dish, but very complicated, with layers of roasted vegetables, meat, and rice, and it's served on special occasions, like, say, when somebody's visiting from out of the country, or maybe when somebody gets married. From start to finish, it takes hours to make, and it can be anything from this small pan that I'm making to a big giant pot of it that's flipped with lots of fanfare. Just search for Maqluba videos on TikTok if you want to see what I mean. So what does this say for Foodie Beauty and her inner circle in Kuwait? Well, basically, if she still hasn't had Maqluba yet, after 2 months of being there, it means that nobody's offered to make it yet for her, and that's pretty sad. She could probably find it in a restaurant, but that would be even worse when you think about it. This is the sort of meal that somebody offers to make for you, to welcome you into their home, to celebrate life's big adventures, and to just let you know that you're loved and welcomed. While on the surface, Salah's family might act like they're fine with her, keep an eye out for little things like this that tell you that she's really been accepted. Oh, and if you want to see the full video of how I made this Maqluba, I'll put it up on my second channel. I may be trying to distance myself from Girl World a little bit. It's all getting pretty messy. I'll drop a link in the description box so you can see what I'm up to in the kitchen. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think, either about my theory or how the Maqluba looks, or just let me know what your family likes to make for big celebrations. My family loves a good seafood boil, so it's all about the crabs, shrimp, boiled corn and potatoes, and lots of hot sauce. Yum! I'd love to hear from you.